Act as best script right and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content, and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 35. Apple Watch Ultra 3. Finally coming in 2025. The one to wait for. YouTube https www.youtube.com. Watch. Vici Bats 3T Cam 6W Transcript 00PD0. Today, we're diving deep into what might just be the most exciting smartwatch release of 2025, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And believe me when I say this, one could be the leap forward we've all been waiting for. While past Apple Watch iterations have brought incremental upgrades, the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be revolutionary, not just evolutionary. Royer 23. From AI-driven fitness coaching to satellite connectivity, 5G readiness, and even non-invasive blood pressure tracking, this device could redefine what a smartwatch can do. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, athlete, or health-conscious user, this long-awaited upgrade might just be worth the wait. Let's break down everything we know and what it could mean for your daily life. 0.51. A bold leap in Apple's wearable evolution. Let's rewind a bit. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 was a solid refinement of the original Ultra, offering a brighter screen, new double-tap gesture support, and a more power-efficient chip. But it wasn't enough to justify an upgrade for many users. The 2024 refresh introduced only a black titanium colorway with no significant hardware bump. 115. Fast forward to 2025, and the stakes are much higher. The Ultra lineup has had time to mature, and Apple appears ready to break new ground with the Ultra 3. According to trusted insiders and leaks from supply chain analysts, the Ultra 3 will pack features that Apple has spent years perfecting, not just rushing to release. ISO 139. Revolutionary health features, blood pressure monitoring. One of the most highly anticipated features is blood pressure tracking, a breakthrough health capability that Apple has been developing for years. Unlike Samsung, Huawei, or other smartwatch brands that already offer blood pressure monitoring, Apple aims to deliver a more seamless, calibration-free experience. Euro 202. While early iterations may still require an external cuff for accuracy, the long-term goal is clear. A fully independent, medically accurate sensor embedded in your wrist. This isn't just a gimmick. Blood pressure data is a key metric for preventing cardiovascular diseases and understanding daily stress levels. Having such a sensor built into the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could make it the ultimate health-focused smartwatch, especially for users dealing with hypertension or high-stress lifestyles. 02.32. G connectivity finally arrives. Yes, it's hard to believe, but even in 2024, Apple Watches were still running on 4G LTE. That's set to change with the Ultra 3, which is expected to be Apple's first 5G-enabled smartwatch. This advancement will have significant implications. Faster sync speeds for health and fitness data, 0255, better streaming performance for music and podcasts, clearer, lower latency FaceTime audio calls. Reports suggest Apple might move away from Qualcomm's modem and adopt a MediaTek 5G chip, which could help with power efficiency and antenna optimization for a small wearable device. Game-changing satellite connectivity, Euro 3.16. The Ultra series has always targeted outdoor adventurers, hikers, climbers, runners, divers. With the addition of satellite SOS features, Apple is turning up the volume on outdoor safety. Imagine trekking in remote areas with no cell service and still being able to send emergency alerts or transmit your GPS location right from your wrist. Euro 336. This isn't just cool, it's life-saving. This functionality is already part of the iPhone lineup, but integrating it into the Apple Watch would increase redundancy and convenience, especially during intense outdoor activities when your phone might be packed away or out of battery. A new era of on-device AI, Apple Intelligence. 357. Perhaps the most exciting evolution is Apple's deep integration of on-device AI, branded as Apple Intelligence. With the Ultra 3 expected to feature a new S11 chip, Apple could finally deliver AI-powered health and fitness experiences directly from your wrist. What does that mean? Personalized fitness routines based on sleep, stress, and past workouts. 004.20. AI-generated recovery advice. Smart notifications that adjust based on your activity level and calendar. Sleep coaching powered by contextual understanding of your stress and recovery cycles. In short, Apple Intelligence could make the watch your personal fitness coach, not just a passive data logger. Display and brightness upgrades, a visual treat. 0440. The Ultra 3 is expected to receive a third-generation LTPO OLED display inspired by the Apple Watch Series 10. This panel supports dynamic 1 Hz refresh rates, making the always display feel more fluid and alive. New watch faces could feature second-by-second animations, improved brightness, potentially 40% brighter at off angles, better outdoor visibility, crucial for athletes in direct sunlight. 0510. With brightness levels rumored to reach 3,500 plus nits, the Ultra 3 could easily become the most readable smartwatch screen on the market, even under harsh conditions. Charging speed fix. Long overdue. One long-standing issue with the Apple Watch Ultra lineup has been its slow charging speed. With the Ultra 2, users often had to wait over an hour just to hit 80%, a frustrating bottleneck, especially for those using the watch for sleep tracking. 0542. Rumors point to a new charging architecture that could cut this time in half. Combined. With improved power management from the S11 chip, this should drastically reduce charging anxiety. Watch OS 12, a whole new interface. The software powering the Ultra 3, Watch OS 12, is expected to reflect Apple's broader visual overhaul seen in Vision OS 06.09. This means more fluid interactions, transparent floating panels, a redesigned home screen grid. While these may sound cosmetic, they add up to an experience that feels modern, immersive, and intuitive. Apple is also likely to introduce new modular watch faces, taking full advantage of the enhanced screen and chip capabilities. 06.31. Smarter integration with Apple services. What ties it all together is deeper integration with Apple's ecosystem. Apple Fitness Plus may start offering AI-personalized workout programs. Apple Health might generate daily or weekly wellness summaries. iCloud Sync enhancements could ensure seamless transitions between devices. Context-aware notifications could filter out low-priority alerts. 0656. Imagine waking up to a health digest that summarizes your sleep quality, stress level, and optimal training intensity for the day. All curated by AI based on your metrics and behavior. Final thoughts. Should you wait? Absolutely yes. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just a minor refresh. It's shaping up to be the most feature-rich, performance-enhanced, and AI-smart wearable Apple has ever created. 0722. From blood pressure tracking and satellite SOS to 5G speed, dynamic AI health insights, and a next-gen display, this device isn't playing catch-up, it's sprinting ahead. Music.